This is the Canna brand of CBD oil, endorsed by Rob Gronkowski, that claims to relieve joint stiffness and pain. It doesn't work, and we could actually stop right there. Now, like most satisfaction guaranteed supplements, you pay a nominal shipping charge for a sample. Unlike most satisfaction guaranteed supplements, you don't get a 30, 60, or 90-day trial period. It's 10 days. Read the fine print, it's easy to miss. Furthermore, it's quite difficult upon the checkout to avoid the upcharge, which is, again, a nominal fee for the capsule version of this product. Now, after 10 days, you're going to see a charge for $106 from a company called Natural Clarity. So you call the number and ask the obvious, who are you and why are you charging my card? At the end of that conversation, they'll refund you 40 of the 106, leaving you with a $66 bill for something that doesn't work. And then the only option is to dispute the remaining charge through your credit card company.